Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the best way to fix Samsung phones with a slow charge. And this is literally the way that worked for me. So there's only like one step to this, so I shouldn't really say step number one. But so you can open up your phone app, and I know this seems like really weird. You're just going to type star hash 9900 hash. Now, this thing should randomly pop up. It should say SYS dump. And obviously, me and you have never seen this menu before. See what it says? Low battery dump? Well, if that's off, turn it on. Scroll down to exit. Now, unplug your phone. Now just wait 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. So I'll be right back in 1 minute. Okay, so now that it's been 1 minute, do not plug back in your phone, but I want you to go to your settings. I want you guys to go to About Phone. I want you to go to Software Information and then top build number until it says you are now a developer. Or I ask you for your PIN now. Just click back. Then you should see an option called Developer Options. Just click that. You just want to scroll down. You want to turn off USB debugging. Good. Scroll all the way down. Scroll down until you see default USB configuration. So you want to turn that on to charging phone only. It should automatically be on charging phone only if you have USB debugging off. Now you're just going to click back. You're going to wait 2 minutes this time. And come back to your phone. I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now that it's been 2 minutes, what I want you to do is I want you to go back over to settings. But this time, you want to go to device care. Now it should check your battery. Okay, so obviously I have 1 day and 9 hours till... Okay, that's a lot. But 99 out of 100, obviously something's going on here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click Optimize Now. Now 100% optimized. Now you're just going to click Battery. Now you want to go to Power Mode. Turn on Optimized. And go to App Power Management, Adaptive Battery, and then turn on, put Unused Apps to Sleep. Okay, so now you're actually going to wait 10 minutes. I'd say 10 minutes. And then I want you guys to plug back in your phone. Okay, so now plug back in your phone. But before we do that, or plug back in your phone, I have one more thing to recommend. I'm going to go over to display. You want to turn on dark mode, then go to dark mode settings and click apply to wallpaper. As you guys can see, it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see my wallpaper. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this YouTube video. Make sure you guys give a like and subscribe. So obviously I'm going to plug my phone in. Where's my dumb charger? Hello, charger. We meet again. For the 5 bazillionth time. You don't even have to worry about your battery dropping. All good. You don't have to worry about it. As you guys can see, it's charging. It says that the charger is connected. It's charging. You guys can see these are all my apps. Now, I'll prove to you. So, my charger is not really that fast of a charger. I can admit that. But, if you don't really care, let me tell you. If you don't really care about fast charging, you just want, like, a charger that works. Okay, you just want a charger that's cheap and that works. Okay? And just a nice little charger that's cheap and it works. I would 100% recommend a slow charger. Now, this is the reason why I'd recommend a slow charger. Which, yes, you can make your phone charge fast, but it's still not a fast charger. If you have a fast charger and it's not charging fast, this is just going to make the fast charger charge fast again. If you don't have a fast charger and you do this, this is just going to make that charger just charge a bit faster than what it's usually charging. I would 100% recommend a slow charger. The reason why is because all that stuff inside your phone, the battery, that stuff, fast chargers make it faster for your phone to die. Believe me, believe it or not. So clearly on your fast charge, on your phone, if it's a fast charger, it's just going to start to slow down and charging, and slow down and charging, and slow down and charging, and then slowing down and charging until the phone cannot charge anymore. It's not going to slow down and charging, it's going to make it faster for it to die. So literally the battery dies completely and you cannot plug it back in. Just like you cannot, charge it. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope this video has helped you. At least helped some of you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Goodbye.